This is 96 Impala. Got the sound deadener and all the wiring for the stereo installed. All of it except for 2 pieces of speaker wire that go to the front doors from the trunk. The lower half of the dash apart, and the factory radio removed. So there's your RCAs and remote. 0 gauge. I haven't clicked this shut because I'm going to run that speaker wire down inside this also through the door jamb to the speaker. So next I'll be removing the headliner and adding the sound deadener to the roof. And this one's going gray suede. I need to get the radio in here soon. Take the top of the dash off next. Remove top of the dash, headliner, a couple more pieces of trim, front and back pillars, and the seats just sitting in there. Already taken the bolts out to remove that. And door panels, I'll deal with them a little later. I've got enough parts in my way as of now. So I'm doing a little cleaning today on all my work areas. Spring cleaning. And eventually wash this car up too. So you could use it. Alright, just a quick little 2-minute video today. Catch y'all on the next one.